Hello everyone, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and today we are going to troubleshoot a problem that you have with your red button gun. We don't sell the red button gun ourselves, but we get a lot of requests because of problems that cannot be solved because there's no proper support for these guns. So we got a request of some people having the problem that that gear, the small gear in the back, is not touching the big white gear, and therefore the whole thing is not moving when you turn it on. I cannot even do it with our gun. It's not adjustable like this, that it's not touching, but I can show you what you can try to solve this. So the motor and this gear, that's all one part. You have to think of it like this. It's going through the whole gun. So to be able to move this, you can loosen these two screws and the same screws on the other side. So I do this to show you how it's movable. You don't have to unscrew these fully. Just loosen it. So now we untightened all of them, and you can see the motor is movable. If it would be more to the back, you would want to slide it more to the front and make sure it's gripping the white gear properly. If that's the axis of the white gear and that's the axis of the small gear that is connected to the motor, make sure it's not standing like this. You want to have it as parallel as you can, because you also don't want the small gear to push into the white gear too much. So they should grab nicely into each other, but the small gear should not push to the front, because this will cause the gear not to run smoothly. And this we want to prevent for sure, because this gear should always run smoothly and not have any hiccups or any points where you have to push it really hard. So you don't turn on the machine if it's not running smoothly. Always check manually before you do that. So try to adjust this small gear with these screws all loosened and set it nicely together so it's grabbing nicely. There can be a bit of air in the gear parts. It should not be like this, but it should also not be like this. So they should just grip into each other nicely without pushing or losing each other. We have a little gift for you as well. If you're going to decide to invest on a proper gun, you can use the code RED10 in our shop Tuftinglove.com. If you're tired of your red button gun and you want to invest in one of our nice NK01 or NK02 cut or loop pile tufting guns, feel free to use the code. It's here for you. I hope this helped you. If you're still having trouble, let us know in the comments and we try to help you solve it.